Welcome to this video. We will guide you through establishing the connection, installing the plugin, and rendering the data for effective visualization. Begin by login, navigate to the connection screen, add new, select the relevant connection and proceed to establish a connection. Once the connection is established, simply save the connection. To proceed further and access the data for same, navigate to data collection screen, click on add new, select the connection. Select the object from here that aligns your requirement, take the next step. Here you will get to see the data as per the selected object. Additionally, you have the option to filter, sort and apply the limit. The data then will be updated based on your selections. Save. Input the basic information here and save. So this completes the setup process for connection and collections. Next, we'll proceed to demonstrate how to install the plugin and access the data in Excel. Navigate to the side tabs where you will find the download plugin option. Clicking on it will initiate the installation of the plugin to your system. You can locate the file in your downloads folder. Double click on the plugin file to begin the installation process. Next, select this option. Next, take the next step. Then install. Finalize by clicking on finish. Afterwards, open your Excel and access your sheet. So you will get to see AlphaSheet tab appears here. Click on the user icon and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Data Collections Explorer. Select your configured collection and just click on Run. Data here will be displayed in a formatted view based on your selections. Additionally, you can perform any action from here. So the data you added earlier is now displayed here, properly formatted and organized. So just by following these simple steps, you can connect and render your data efficiently.